Hi, welcome to the first episode of the
Diamond Realtors
Laglag.
Diamond!
Gaano ba ka-importante malaman kung ang property ay para sa iyo at kung ikaw ba ay nais
Ay, hirap. Ang hininong. Are your neighborhood friendly realtor para Spider-Man lang, di ba?
nakakatawa.
Kasama yun.
We are now, I am Christine and we are
Boss! Hi, welcome to Icebreaker episode of Rayamon. Come on!
Grupo mo?
kahit hindi ako nagsabi ka.
Ay, okay na sana yun.
Hello mga boss! Welcome back to Diamond Realtors Podcast.
Wait lang, hindi kami kasi.
Diamond.
Diamond Realtors Podcast.
Welcome! We are diving into the very important topic for today.
Hi, welcome to the first episode of the
Diamond Realtors.
Ano? Diamond Podcast Realtors?